Okay.
Okay, sir.
Again, take rectangle tool. Okay. Compress it by compressing. Fill it. Fill it. Copy it. We have to make a
Sir, I have
arrow.
one doubt, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, when you're after creating the symbol, shall we reduce the size?
You can reduce. No, here you can reduce as per your wish. Here you have to switch on off the means if you are working with the grid, then no need to off. Otherwise, here off.
Not here, sir. In the schematic side.
Schematic you can not reduce. We can edit a part.
Okay.
Take your line. Okay. Or else still need to make it bigger. You can make bigger. Okay. Next is take your line, switch off the grid, take like this, update the boundary, take your pins, write your name as a for anode number 1. Wait. Your pin name anode number 1. Type here short. Okay, third number not required. This need to modify. Sorry, here K. Then need to move at proper space. So 2 will be here because in this case we are going to hide the pin name. Going to hide the pin number, not name, because A and K need to show. If you see, LEDs are down. Okay. So A will be like this. K will be like this. Because we are using in down. Correct now? Here pin number we have to hide. Save, close. This is we have done. Now we have to do the mounting holes, a screw. Okay. What we have to do? We have to do the mounting holes, a screw. Okay. Same. New. Here mounting holes. Mounting hole. Okay. Here reference will be MH. Okay, make it bigger. Take your circle. First switch of the grid. Take your circle. Okay. Then what we have to do? We have to do the take here this square. This is a square. Okay. This one a bit we have to increase. Okay. This circle I think we need to give like this. This we need to feel like a screw. Feel like a no. Okay.
Okay.
Take a pin. Use here one. Here one. Here we give 0 length. 0 length. Okay. Attach anywhere. Okay. Here pin name and number you hide. Not required to show both. No matter. Kai mari. Okay. Save. Close. All things done, guys. I think mounting. Now last is we have display, right? Guys, are you there?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes, sir.
So here this is the second display, LCD display 16x2. Okay. So DISPLAY display. Dia pura pani computer pe. Display 16x2. Okay, here reference will be DSP. DSP for display. Okay, first we need to see, take as big possible. First you see here how many pins are there. 16 pins, right? So first you place the 16 pins by maintaining one grid gap. Take here pin 1, here 1, here 1. You take here short or you can take here line also, because big display required. Here you can take here one. So here one grid gap you have to maintain. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, yes, 16 grid we have maintained. Oh, I forgot to record, guys. I forgot to record this. Okay. So, Praveen, you are recording, no? Praveen.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Recording,
yes.
no?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, please save and share to us.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
I forgot to record. First part recorded, huh? Okay, next, take here this one and display, create like this first. This is the first part. Okay. Then again create one more. Okay. I think 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now select these pins all at one time. Right click, edit pins. Why we are editing the pins? Because we number we have give. Pin number 1 is, guys, can anybody take a picture of it, mobile picture, and tell me I write the directly name there. Hello? Parveen, take a mobile picture of it and tell me the names. I'll write. Okay, pin number 1 like this, pin number 2 like this. If you say, I'll write there. Okay. Parveen, taken the picture?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now pin number 1 what? Tell me here name, pin name. Pin number 1 is what?
VSS.
VSS. Pin number 2?
VDD.
3?
V0.
VO. Next 4?
RS. RS.
RS means reset. Okay. Next.
Yes, sir. RW.
RW means read and write. Okay.
Next,
Next.
E.
E for enable.
Yes, sir.
Next.
DB0. DB0.
DB, data bit 0.
Yes, sir.
Now DB1.
Continuously up to 7. Sir.
DB1. You copy it. DB2. DB3. 4. 5. 6. DB7.
Yes, sir. Next,
This is
LED.
LED plus or minus?
LED plus.
LED plus.
And LED minus.
This is
LED minus.
LED minus.
That's
okay.
it.
Apply here. Okay. Now see here, correct? Now we have to arrange it. Take this all names, select by the control. It is shifted here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Select this. Okay. It should be in readable format. Okay. Clear? No. Here, if you see, they have given ulta, but we will not repeat the same mistake. Okay. Because in this schematic, so many mistakes are there. You should not do the mistake. I'll tell the mistakes. Okay. Now this one we need to fill. Color, if you want, we can change the color also, but not now. Leave it. This one we can change the line width like this. Display we can write here. Value, we keep the value over here. I think all correct, right? Save, close. I think, guys, everything done, right? Here. Okay. Now open the schematic page. Here, place part, choose our library, bring all the components first. Display, keep display here. Connector you keep. Diode. Oh, this is LED, no, not diode, right? This is LED, right? Not diode. So here we will write LED. Part reference LED. 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 This A and K need to keep here. Save, close. So also we can rename LED. Okay. This one we will delete. So whatever we are reading, so it will be there in our design case. Yeah, a diode. Update the case. You see here, LEDs, right? And then take a resistor switch. You take one. Then what is that? Take resistor. You take. Then trim pot you take. Trim pot you made so much small, no? Compared to others. These LEDs we need to make a small. It's looking like very big one. So here LED part. make this LED small. So we have created this, but still not it is reflected. Go to design cache, update it. See here, correct now? Guys, clear? Now see the flow. First this is there. Okay, then your register is the 15th LED plus pin. Take like this. And if you see here, trim pot. Take here ground pin, take capsium, ground, take like this. This is also ulta. So here you can write here pin number 3. Why it is like ulta? This should be like this. Design should be proper, good and beautiful, not like whatever you think. Yes. Something like touch. Update all. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now, if you see this, and keep here, VSS going to there. Take here wire tool. Here is the wire tool. Which is grounded. Next, VO is the center one. Correct now? VO is the center one. Just draw randomly. Later we will modify. Whatever you can do, we can do later. Okay. Next, VD is the this one. Just draw random. Okay. Next, pin number 5 and DB02, DB3. Take your routing. Which one we have to see? Read and write is grounded itself. Means I'm telling to say again db0 10 and last minus 10 and again take this. Just right now you draw random. Don't think about the looking good or not. Later we will modify. Okay. Just draw. Now, if you see here, this RS pin is going to RS pin number 0. In this case, our 0 pin number is 1, 2. Sorry. Take your routing RS. Then pin number 1 is enable. Enable is this pin number 6. Guys, if you see in the here schematic, this thicker line, can you able to see this thicker line?
Yes, sir.
That is nothing but bus. Okay, what is the bus? I'll tell you next. Okay, first you learn one-to-one connection. What we are doing here, that is one-to-one connection. Here they have given bus connections. First we have to learn the one-to-one connection. So just I'm doing one-to-one connection first. Here enable is there. You see here enable is there. E. Here enable is there. That is E pin number 1. Okay, DV5 and DV7, 3 and 5. Take your routing. DV5, DV7. Okay, next 5, 7. Okay, next RS DV4, DV6. Take your routing DV4, DV6. Okay. Now here basically you have to take your power, go to capsium, find here VCC, bar type, arrow type, what type we need as per our discussion, as per our requirement you can take, not a big deal. Take here wiring tool, connect it, same VCC. What is VCC written here? VCC A, right? Double click, VCC A. Okay. Now this, I think this is completed. This area first we have to clear this first. Okay. Select this all. Okay. Now first we have to try, we have to avoid maximum cross nets here. Okay, by our technical mind. Take it out. At least from one point to other point, you maintain one grid gap, one connection to another connection. See, one grid here, gap, one grid gap here. Okay, next we are coming to this point. See, earlier how like it was looking, now you see how like it is looking. Okay, no. So at last we can reduce the complexity of the circuit by our technical mind. Okay. Now, if you see here, this one, yes. If you see here, guys, this is ground A. This all ground is sorted here. Okay. This all is ground, no, here. See here, pin number 1, pin number 5, pin number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 16 here. Okay. So we no need to cross this much nets. We can cross there only. Okay. So how to cross? I'll tell you. What is this? What is this? What is the name of this?
Ground.
Ground. But what it is showing here? The net, what is showing? Ground. Okay. So we have to make ground A first. Okay. Double click here. Your name is showing. Right here.
GNT.
A. Apply. Yes. Display. Value only. Okay. Here. Save. And close. Now showing ground A. It is very important to change the ground name. Minimal person don't know, but you have to do like that. Okay. Shall I try once again?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So whatever the name it is, suppose here ground. Take here ground. Choose your Capsium library. Take here ground. Take here. Right now there is no name. This is the default ground symbol from the ground. Net is also showing here ground. But I want to give here, suppose in your circuit, so many grounds will be there. Digital ground, analog ground, differential ground, okay, earth ground, okay. That how to differentiate, you can take here. Double click of the ground name, your ground symbol. Your name is showing, your name, you make here whatever the name you want to say, ground A. Here apply, yes. Then here display, here value only, okay. Then again apply, yes. Here close. Now see here. So you know ground A. Correct? No. Same ground you can symbol copy and paste multiple times to avoid the cross net. See here. This is ground, no? Okay. RW sorted with ground, no? Right? Guys, clear?
Yes, sir.
Ground symbol you copy and paste here. And this one you can delete. Now if you see here, what is showing here? Ground A. Earlier what you are showing? Ground only. Now it is showing ground A. Right? This also ground A it is. Control C, Control V. You can sort here. Here wire. Clear? Here also so many net no need to cross. Same ground you can take. Control C, Control V, copy and paste. Clear? Now see, so many cross nets we have avoided, no? So many cross nets we have avoided here. If you want to check, if you see here, this all ground is sorted here. But crossing, we can avoid these cross nets. Correct? No?
Yes.
So, how do I assure this is the same net? See here, if you see here, there is a physical connection over here. Okay, but here there is no physical connection. How do I assure? So select any ground signal, right click, select entire net. See here, all this ground is held here. Correct? No? Means this all ground is internally connected. Is that clear?
Yes.
Is that clear to everyone? Now, if you see any schematic, there is 7 and 6 is not connected to anywhere. It is a open. Okay. So take here, no connect. Place at 6 and 7. Clear? Now, if you see here, ground A. Here this 9th pin is ground A. Correct? Same. This ground A copy. Paste here. Okay. Take wire. Now this ground A, you can keep here. Now this is the BCC. Here they have made one mistake. BCC can't be the downward. Ground will be always downward. BCC will be always upward. Okay. Here they have made mistake, so we should not repeat the mistake again. Okay. So this BCC A, you copy, paste here. Here, if you want to move, you can move. Not a problem. We have much space. Take your wire connections. What mistake they have done, we should not repeat the mistake. Okay, guys, is that clear? Now,
Yes.
if you see here, each net is each connection is having name RS, DB. Okay, enable, DB5. Okay, no. But here, if you see here, net is having some default name. See here, N00846864. Correct? No. But in say schematic, they have given RS. Okay, then we will have to put the net alias. Net alias means renaming the net label, net name. So put here N, right here RS. Select here, select here, select here, select here, select here. Okay. So all, if you see here now, earlier it was showing some default net, no? N00684 something like it was showing, right?
Yes.
Now it's showing here RS. The net name is RS. But all these RS not required, no? Your name you have to change. Your DB4, DB6. Okay. So double click. DB4.